Okay, everybody, we are about to unveil a new decorative piece to our living room, and this is a 8 by 10 foot rug that I brought from the States, and we're gonna unwrap it and see. I actually folded it in half and wrapped it in those bungee cords, and that's how we made it through the airport. And then I wheeled it with this. I accomplished it, but I can't say that I necessarily recommend it. This rug weighs over 40 pounds, and it was not fun. But anywho, we're gonna see if I picked the right thing to match with this living room set. And what we've done with the kitchen is, because this table ended up being so big, then I put the chairs just on one side, and we're going to leave this side open so we can walk through. And that way it doesn't look so congested in here. And that's part of the saga. But anywho, and there's another rug that I brought. This one I bought from Aldi's. It was $10. So I thought it was pretty good. It's pretty long. It looks to be like around 5 feet long, maybe 2.5 or 2 foot wide. But I'm not gonna leave that there. I'm gonna leave the blue rugs there and take that one upstairs to my bathroom. So anywho, I will come back after I unroll this rug and we'll see what we're working with. Okay, I got the wrapping off of it. So got this rug from rugs.com. You want to know? And what I like about them is that you can take a picture of your space and try the rug out before you buy it. Let's see. I'm thinking I got the rug turned the wrong way, because the shack should be the other way. Goodness. I'm wondering how long this is gonna be. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. This rug is massive, but it does fit. So I had to turn it the other way. So now I just got to tuck it under the sofa on that end, and then of course under this one, and move the sofa back on top of it. So give me a minute and let me see what I can do. Okay, we're making progress. Oh, that's huge. That's huge. I probably could have bought a smaller rug. Maybe 5 by 7. I don't know. So I put half the couch over there. And we're about to see how this thing turns out. Okay. This is it, y'all. If I have time, I'll put in a clip of it in the daytime. But yeah, I got it together. And this came, my neighbors are having a party tonight. I don't believe it, but it's like midnight. And if y'all can hear that, yeah, that's what it is. But this is a shag rug. I got it from rugs.com. I waited till Black Friday to order it, so I got a huge discount. And it's really soft. Really soft and nice under the feet. I like this better because I feel like it'll hide stains better than the shag rug that I had when I first moved in. So this is that. And like I said, we're just making changes, trying to see how things fit. But I think for now, I will have the 4 chairs like this. And that way we can walk through. And all of the bar stools will be able to fit, and still have space over there to walk and get in those chairs over there, because my only other option was to get a smaller table or get a smaller sofa, and I love this sofa. I mean, this is like the size of a twin bed. I absolutely love this sofa. So we'll see how it goes, but anyway, I'll talk to y'all soon. Nos vemos.